Hello friends, welcome to our channel Lata Santani Creations. Today we are going to make aloo masala for masala dosa. Let's add 4 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds in a medium hot oil. Once it splutters, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now add 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Add 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Now keep on stirring for around 30 seconds. It's time to add 2 tablespoons of peanuts. It's important to add all the ingredients as per their frying time. This is to ensure that all the ingredients are well fried at the end. Now add 2 tablespoons of roughly chopped cashew nuts. Keep on stirring till you get that light golden color. Now add 2 to 3 chilies vertically chopped. Keep on stirring for a few seconds to get that spiciness transferred to the oil. Now add roughly chopped dry red chilies to add the color to the final masala. Now add 2 stems of curry leaves. Now add vertically chopped slices of 1 big onion or 2 small ones. Keep on stirring for around 2 minutes on medium flame. Now add 3 tablespoons of homemade frozen green peas. If you are wondering how to freeze the green peas at home, then do follow our channel as the recipe is coming very soon. You can also use fresh green peas here if it's in the season. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. To add salt as per the taste. Now add roughly mashed boiled potatoes. We have taken here around 8 medium-sized potatoes. Mix all the ingredients very well. Add some garam masala. Also add some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything very well. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and mix again. the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. Remove the lid after 2 minutes and give it a mix again, and your aloo masala is ready. This is best used in dosas but can also be very well used in any meal of the day as a side dish. If you like our recipe, then please do hit the like button and also add your comments. For more such interesting and detailed recipes, please do follow our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.